Welcome to your Kapalabhati pranayama tutorial. Kapalabhati means skull shining breath. This breath is intended to warm the body and clear the mind. So skull shining, I often visualize this breath lighting up the cranium and sort of burning out any residual emotional clutter or mental chatter or negative energy. Trick with this is to really use the belly. You can place your hand on your belly to bring awareness into that part of the body. The breath is often done with a sh sound because it's a little bit more accessible than through the nose for beginners. So we'll try that both ways. So with one hand to the belly, let your belly hang out. So relaxing the abdomen. And take a deep inhale, feel that belly expand. And then exhale all the way out. Inhale halfway. And then feel your belly snap on the exhale. Shh, 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 shh. Continue with that breath. Make sure that your shoulders aren't hiking up and that it's not your chest doing the movement. It's the belly working here. So as the belly relaxes, the lungs expand. And as the belly pulls in, we force that air out. So it's an active exhale, passive inhale. Shh, 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 shh. And then we'll speed it up a bit. Shh, 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 exhale all of that stagnant air out. Release the hand from your belly and take a few normal breaths. Maybe close the eyes to tune in to the sensations of your body. And then we'll try that through the nose, which is a little bit more challenging. You usually have to have some tissues nearby because it will get the mucus going in a lot of people. So let's try that again. We'll bring the hand to the belly, maybe the opposite hand this time, to balance out our right and left sides. Take an inhale all the way. Exhale all the way out. Inhale halfway. And then speed it up. And exhale all the way out. Release your hand and take a few normal breaths. Now if you found it a little bit difficult with the mouth closed version, let's try to simplify that a bit by panting. Just like a dog would if you took it on a really long walk or a run in a hot day. Now close your mouth. Continue to feel that belly snapping, not the shoulders working. It gets uncomfortable. You might feel the negative mind kicking in a little bit, so use those positive affirmations to keep yourself going. This heat, this tapas, this agni, it burns away all of that toxicity, clearing the mind, clearing the body for new ways of being and thinking. So we'll take just a few more moments here. And then exhale all the way out. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, bring the palms together in front of the heart. This closes your Kapalabhati breath tutorial. Thanks for joining.